Just when the world is beginning to harness the power of 5G, the next evolution in wireless communication is already on the horizon, 6G. But what exactly is 6G, and how will it transform our lives? In this video, we'll dive deep into everything you need to know about the future of wireless technology. 6G, or sixth-generation wireless technology, is the next leap in global communication, expected to roll out by 2030. Unlike 5G, which delivers high-speed internet and low latency, 6G is designed to bring ultra-fast data, AI-driven systems, real-time holography, and seamless global connectivity through satellites. It's more than speed, it's an intelligent, immersive network for the future. 6G promises revolutionary features. Terahertz frequencies enabling speeds up to 1 terabit per second. Ultra-low latency of under 0.1 milliseconds. AI-native networks that self-optimize and adapt in real time. 3D and holographic communication for fully immersive interaction. Global satellite integration providing internet access everywhere, even in the most remote areas. Let's compare. Speed: 5G offers up to 10 gigabits per second, 6G aims for 1 Tbps. Latency: 5G, 1 millisecond. 6G, just 0.1 milliseconds. Coverage: 5G uses towers. 6G will connect through satellites. Intelligence: 5G is fast. 6G is smart, powered by AI and real-time data prediction. Imagine a surgeon in New York performing a life-saving operation on a patient in a remote village, in real time, with near-zero delay. With holographic imaging, the surgeon doesn't just see the patient on a screen, they see a 3D, high-resolution hologram of the patient's body, suspended in the air, accurate down to the tiniest blood vessel. Using robotic arms powered by 6G, every hand movement is mirrored with microscopic precision thousands of miles away. Real-time data from sensors and AI analytics continuously monitor the patient's vitals, adapting instantly to changes during surgery. The result? Safe, efficient, and high-precision operations, even in locations without a specialist on site. 6G will unlock access to advanced healthcare like never before, reducing medical inequality and saving lives across the globe. This is not just telemedicine. This is borderless surgery, intelligent, immersive, and revolutionary. Say goodbye to flat video calls and pixelated screens. With the power of 6G and holographic projection, you'll be able to hold meetings, attend events, or chat with loved ones through life-sized 3D holograms, as if they were right there in the room with you. No VR headsets. No screens. Just full-body, real-time interactive presence. 6G's ultra-high bandwidth and sub-millisecond latency will allow holograms to move, speak, and react naturally, without any noticeable lag. Whether you're having a business meeting across continents or celebrating a birthday from thousands of miles away, the experience will feel intimate, natural, and lifelike. Holographic communication will revolutionize the way we connect, turning everyday conversations into face-to-face experiences without boundaries. With 6G, presence becomes virtual, but the feeling becomes real. Welcome to the era of intelligent vision. Powered by 6G, smart glasses will evolve into powerful digital assistants, projecting real-time 3D information directly into your field of view. Walking through a city? Directions will float in front of you. Shopping? Product prices, reviews, and nutritional info will hover next to each item. Traveling abroad? Live translation overlays will appear on street signs and menus as you read them. In workplaces, from hospitals to factories, professionals will access interactive holograms, instructions, diagnostics, and alerts in mid-air, hands-free. With 6G's ultra-fast speed and ultra-low latency, these experiences will be instant, seamless, and incredibly detailed. This isn't just augmented reality, this is a complete fusion of the digital and physical world, brought to life through smart glasses and intelligent networks. It's not just a new way to see, it's a smarter way to live. In a world powered by 6G, drones won't just fly, they'll think, adapt, and collaborate. Connected through an ultra-fast, low-latency 6G network, autonomous drones will operate as intelligent swarms, communicating in real time to share live maps, weather updates, obstacle data, and mission objectives. From delivering packages across cities to responding to natural disasters, these drones will work in perfect sync, with no human pilot required. In agriculture, they'll scan crops and soil conditions with pinpoint accuracy. In logistics, they'll optimize delivery routes on the fly. In emergencies, they'll navigate chaos and save lives. Every drone becomes a node in a global intelligent network, constantly learning, adapting, and improving. This is more than automation, it's autonomy at scale, enabled by the real-time intelligence of 6G. Step into the control rooms of the future, where every screen is a hologram, and every decision is powered by real-time data intelligence. With the speed and precision of 6G, these command centers will process terabytes of 3D data instantly, giving operators complete situational awareness, from space missions and smart cities to disaster relief and defense operations. AI-powered interfaces will analyze incoming data in real time, offering predictive insights, alerts, and suggested actions, all displayed through interactive, gesture-controlled holograms. Teams spread across the world will collaborate as if they're in the same room, thanks to ultra-low latency communication and full-spectrum data sharing. This isn't just monitoring, it's orchestrating the world's most complex systems with speed, clarity, and precision. Welcome to a new era of control, intelligent, immersive, and made possible by 6G. From orbit, the Earth will no longer be dark. Instead, it will glow with a vibrant digital mesh, a vast web of thousands of low-orbit satellites, seamlessly connected through 6G technology. This is the 6G satellite web, designed to bring high-speed, low-latency connectivity to every corner of the globe. From bustling cities to remote islands, mountain peaks to deep oceans, no place will be out of reach. There will be no need for towers, cables, or infrastructure on the ground. The sky itself becomes the network. With this intelligent satellite mesh, data will travel faster than ever before, enabling communication, commerce, education, and emergency response, even in the most isolated regions. It's not just a technological upgrade, it's a planet-wide transformation. This is the future of the internet, limitless, borderless, and always connected. Welcome to the classroom of the future, where learning is no longer limited by walls, time zones, or even textbooks. With the speed and intelligence of 6G, students will step into immersive 3D classrooms, where history can be experienced by walking through ancient cities, and science explored from inside the human body. AI-powered tutors will guide each student personally, adapting lessons to their pace, style, and language, offering real-time support, 24/7, anywhere in the world. From urban schools to rural villages, 6G will democratize access to world-class education, eliminating barriers and creating a truly connected global classroom. Whether it's learning a new language, mastering advanced math, or conducting virtual experiments, every lesson will feel real, engaging, and unforgettable. This is not just e-learning, this is education reimagined, powered by the limitless possibilities of 6G. In the smart cities of tomorrow, powered by 6G, transportation will be fully synchronized and autonomous. Cars, buses, drones, and traffic signals will communicate with each other in real time, creating a living, breathing network of movement. Every vehicle will transmit and receive live data on speed, road conditions, weather, and location, allowing the system to predict and prevent accidents, reroute traffic automatically, and ensure a smooth flow of people and goods. Delivery drones will coordinate flight paths mid-air, while autonomous taxis will anticipate traffic signals and adjust routes on the go. No more blind spots. No more traffic jams. No more delays. This isn't just smart mobility, it's a self-aware transportation ecosystem, where real-time coordination powered by 6G makes travel safer, faster, and smarter than ever before. Welcome to the next industrial revolution, driven by 6G and predictive intelligence. In the factories of the future, machines will no longer wait to break down, they'll anticipate problems before they occur. Using real-time sensors, AI, and 6G's ultra-fast connectivity, smart factories will continuously monitor equipment performance, detect anomalies, and automatically trigger maintenance, without human intervention. Production lines will run non-stop, eliminating costly downtime. Inventory systems, robotics, and supply chains will all be interconnected, learning from data, optimizing energy usage, and adapting in real time. Whether it's automotive, electronics, or pharmaceuticals, efficiency will skyrocket, and waste will plummet. This is not just automation, this is self-aware manufacturing, where machines think, respond, and evolve, thanks to the power of 6G. Get ready to experience entertainment like never before, brought to life by the speed and intelligence of 6G. Imagine standing in your living room while your favorite artist performs a live concert right in front of you, not on a screen, but in life-sized, 3D holographic form. No headsets, no delays, just full sensory immersion. With 6G, concerts, sports events, and global festivals will be streamed in real time, with interactive holograms that react to your presence. Step into entire virtual cities, explore fantasy worlds, or compete in ultra-realistic multiplayer games, with zero lag, ultra-high resolution, and full-body motion sync. Augmented reality, virtual reality, and real-world environments will blend into one seamless experience. This isn't just the future of gaming and media, it's a new dimension of reality, where entertainment becomes immersive, interactive, and unforgettable. With 6G, the stage is everywhere, and you're always in the front row. But the future isn't without challenges. High energy demands of terahertz waves. Cybersecurity risks in hyper-connected environments. Expensive infrastructure and standardization hurdles. Privacy concerns in an always connected world. Nations and tech giants are already in the race. China launched the first 6G satellite in 2020. South Korea aims for commercial rollout by 2028. USA, Japan, and the EU are heavily investing in research. Companies like Nokia, Huawei, Samsung, and Ericsson are building the tech foundation right now. Experts expect commercial 6G to launch around 2030, with early testing and pilots by 2028. And when it does arrive, the world as we know it will be transformed, forever. From science fiction to reality, 6G is set to change everything: communication, health, education, transport, and beyond. Are you ready to step into a hyper-connected world? If you found this fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more futuristic insights.